have a visitor. Hey, Frankie. Hey, Frankie, how are you doing? Look at you. She's like, no, me. Good morning, everyone. Asha here from Pandamonium. It is a breezy day today, but it's nice because it is bright and sunny. We have come here to Barb and Max's property. It's a farm, and they were nice enough to invite us to come stay with them. We got here last night and ended up having dinner with them.
We're eating buffet style. Well, is that what I want to call it? Yeah, you go through and Okay, you want to lead them to
No, just water. Since you got ice in it.
Okay, you want to lead them here?
What are you doing?
Okay, this mushy looking stuff is the potatoes. How we do it in this part of the world, and if you want a bowl, let me know.
Are those all
It's mashed
grains?
potatoes with the noodles over the top. That's how they do it in Carolina,
With
South
carrots,
Carolina.
They have,
Okay,
yeah.
you found me, lady.
My table's crowded, but
Thank you so much. This is
no,
awesome.
I just love doing this. I love doing this. And I would imagine Terry does too.
I do. I like to cook, for sure.
It was very tasty, and it just warms my heart how kind and welcoming people can be. She even baked me homemade fresh bread.
I have a loaf of bread that I made for you,
Oh,
and it's with farm fresh eggs and also our own wheat. I grind my own wheat
thank you so
flour.
much,
You
Barb.
bet. You bet.
So, if you don't know her channel, it is...
The old farmer's wife.
Anyways, I'm going to get cleaned up and we're going to get our day started. I don't know what we're going to get into today, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Right, Moo-moo? Say high five. It is so beautiful here. Barb and Max actually have a fifth wheel on their property, and that's what they use when they're traveling together. But Barb is going to show us today the vehicle that she uses when she travels by herself. This is nice. I like it. So, have you taken it out yet?
I have been on 3 short trips to Nebraska.
And how do you like it?
I love it. I love it. I'm still learning. Lots of things. I haven't done the hot water heater yet.
It seems comfy cozy. Is this where a table goes right there?
Yes, and that particular table's right here.
Okay.
And if you want to step in,
Sure.
the couple that we bought it from took this seat out. There was, it's actually made for a family of 4. But there was a seat just like that over here. And they put this dresser in. So I have a seat in the basement. But apparently, I tried it, I can't do it. But this will pull forward, and I can get this to pull forward. And then that seat rotates and lays down, and you can have a bed.
Oh, a small
So it'd be
bed.
perfect for a child.
Right.
And this one was built the same way. This here is just a closet.
Right.
And what I like about it, but you can open this all the way up. So you have this. And because of this, I can't bring it all the way back.
Right.
This door kind of sticks. You can do the same thing here. The toilet's in here. And then the shower is in here. And the shower curtain. And the curtain comes around. And so you just stand here, and then it drains out through that floor drain. And if you kind of look, it's a little deeper right here. Just a little bit of a well, so the water doesn't run all the way to the front. And when we were talking about the fan last night, it doesn't blow in. So I've been told that if you use the fan, it sucks the curtains in on you, the shower curtain.
No.
So I'd like to change this out for a 2-way. And this one has the thermostat. But anyway, it works really well. I'm really happy with that. The refrigerator's the 3-way, and I've run it 12-volt gas and electric. It works quite well. Right now I've got it on 12-volt, which is why I'm plugged in. It just seems to work better for some reason on the 12-volt. But it works very well. I froze my milk.
So you've traveled in a fifth wheel and this.
If I do solo, I do this.
Right.
When my husband and I travel, we do it in the fifth wheel.
So what's the difference? I mean,
Me, I prefer this.
do you?
Because, and you know, we've all said this, something happens, I can just jump in the seat and take off.
Right, where with a fifth wheel you have to get
Oh,
out.
you have to
in
get
your
out,
truck.
go up the steps. And we old folks have to get up to the bathroom a lot at night. Right here. Or driving down the road, same thing. And the only thing I don't like about my this whole thing is I don't like pink.
Oh, the color. Well, you can change that.
Yes, I'm going to figure that out. But right now, it works perfect. Oh, I've got sink with hot and cold water.
You're actually getting ready to take a trip as
Yes.
well, right?
Yes, I'm on my way to Lollapalooza tomorrow. With Lollapalooza, it's next weekend in Dallas.
Mm-hmm.
And it's Lola with Lost on Land again.
Okay.
And that's her channel, and she's amazing. But I'm going to go down there, and then I'm going to go to the van build.
Awesome.
So I sent Jamie an email. I don't know if they'll have time to look at it, but I've got a couple things I'd like some advice on. Hey guys, I'm the old farmer's wife, and I'm a teeny tiny little channel, and that's how I've met Aja and Terry and Scott and everybody, and this is the old farmer. But we're Max and Barb. Most everybody knows us. We retired about 2 years ago, and we decided we're going to travel. So we're not full-timers, but right now Aja is doing this in our fifth wheel, and when we travel together, we travel in the fifth wheel. And then I believe she did some on my road trek. And that's what I do for solo traveling. And we've been mostly around the Midwest, and then a little bit over on the West Coast.
Okay, so y'all travel part-time right now.
Right.
What does the future hold? Do you want to be full-time or?
I don't think so. I would like to travel more. He's starting to come around my way of thinking, aren't you, dear? But he really doesn't like to travel as much as I do, but I think he's starting to enjoy it more. So, as far as full-time, probably not. We have our farm. We enjoy the farm, and neither of us are really ready to get rid of the farm. So we'll still come back to home base and go. The nice thing is we can travel as long as we want, whenever we want. Now this winter, I'll be going to the van build, and then I'll be leaving that probably early because I want to be home for the holidays. And our youngest son and his wife are expecting a baby in January, so we're going to miss the RTR. But we do plan to come back out in February and catch up with everybody.
Are there any experiences that you've had on the road that you'd like to share?
Well, we were in Missouri, and those guys stopped and helped change the tire.
Oh, we found, traveling through a little bitty town in Missouri and had a flat tire in the middle of nowhere on a tiny little country road, and it was so nice, the people that helped us. But I'm going to say one thing. I'm from the Midwest. We're from the Midwest, and California was someplace I never wanted to visit. That state's beautiful. I had no idea. The whole state, we spent 5 weeks there.
I was there for a while. It is a beautiful state.
Yeah, I had no intention of spending more than 5 days.
Right.
But it's amazing, and the people out there are amazing. Everywhere we've been.
You know, it is surprising. You think that when you get on the road that people aren't going to be as nice as they are, but people are really kind out there.
That's
and
what I was going to say.
People like to help.
I was surprised that California is diverse as it is. Goes from deserts to rainforests, and
There is a lot of difference in certain spots. So
And I'll tell you what, I didn't even know California had mountains.
yeah.
That's
Because you have the coastline, then you have the mountains, and then Northern California, which is totally different from
in
Southern.
California.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're learning a lot. We've been as far east as
North Carolina.
North Carolina, just the tip, and then to the California coast.
Smoky Mountains, the Blue Ridge Parkway.
So it's been an experience.
So you're enjoying just the part-time travel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I totally get that. I understand.
Yeah.
We take off for a month at a time, or sometimes longer, sometimes
Right.
shorter.
But everybody's different, so
Yeah, and we've met a lot of really neat people.
that's awesome.
Lot of YouTube has introduced us to a lot. So, thank you.
Well, thank y'all. Say bye to Frankie. They're playing before we have to leave. Say bye-bye.
Well, maybe Frankie wants to go with Moo-moo. That's what
Barb and Max are really a wonderful couple, and they were really nice to let us stay here on their property. But it is time to get back on the road. I want to thank y'all for checking out this video. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe. Onward bound, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Moo! He says I'm not doing it properly. Hey there! Bye, y'all!